It's really nice. My laptop is fucked. The fan, as usual, their bearings of the bearings of the fan are fucked. So it made this noise. Oh, that looks great. Some stripes. And now it looks like the graphics card is not too happy because it doesn't get cooled. Ooh, that was terrible. Sure, you can actually play some music. That's not terrible. I'd like to see if we can revive this thing. It's actually gonna be my job in a few days. And it's funny, so I'm gonna repair laptops and PCs. But I don't want to repair my own because I don't think it's worth it. Because I'm pretty sure I cannot find the right fan for this old timer. And I don't want to spend money on it actually. So not sure how long it will last. It is quiet at least. So fuck it. I didn't fix it because the fan is still broken. But the CPU was fine with the heat amount, but the GPU is not. So I just disabled the NVIDIA hardware acceleration. So this is probably not going very smooth, but at least I have an image again. So good enough for me. So I got a few. There's one new song, or news, not new, but some song I want to play, and then I'm gonna do some old ones. See what the differences are. I did pull down like 6 dB at 51 Hertz, because that's a room node. I hope it's enough. But it's kind of weird because at the same time, this recorder doesn't pick up low end that well, but if you increase the low end on the recorder, then it sounds really out of balance and weird. So, and I want to listen to these speakers as well, so I pulled down the 51 Hertz. This works quite good actually. This works better than before, I believe. That's weird. Well, anyhow, it's Christine and the Queens. And it's a really weird song. Well, it's not weird, but it has some very spatial, funny things. But since it's the first time I play this song, I will play some other songs, because otherwise you have no clue what the difference is. Whoop. Let's check volume.
Here is where
Well, let's go. See what it does. I'm gonna enjoy the nice sunny day for 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Here is where everything happened. Ce que je voudrais raconter reste en pays étranger. Here is where everything happened. Sur mon dos marqué d'une croix, pose ta main, souviens-toi. Here, J'émettais des prix du grand d'un millier.